This is the Sunstone Pico, the creme de la creme of fine spot DC resistance welders. Seriously, look at the lines on this welder. Sleek, space gray finish, a clean front panel, and an 8-inch color touchscreen digital interface. And look here. Sunstone placed all the cables to the rear panel, resulting in a tidier workspace even your mother will approve. So yes, the Pico looks mean and loaded for bear. But what's really exciting is the Pico's closed-loop feedback capabilities. What is closed-loop feedback, and why is it the cat's meow? Closed-loop feedback means the data between the Pico and the weld terminals flows in a cycle, allowing the Pico to analyze the deviation between desired performance and actual performance, and then making instant adjustments to move the results closer to the desired. And all this happens in real time and instantaneously. In short, in a production environment, the Pico will win gold medals in weld quality and consistency. In short, the Pico is the GOAT. But wait, there's more GOAT for everyone. All weld parameters are controlled digitally, including built-in force and displacement monitoring, so you won't spend thousands more on additional components just to get that same capability. Now, let's talk about application. For thermocompression and other fine wire welding, the Pico will rock your boat. Think magnet wire welding, solar cell manufacturing, PCB repairs, small coil terminations, electronics, heating elements, fine ribbon bonding, and curing the common cold. Okay, maybe not the common cold, but manufacturers will be drawn to the Pico's precision, energy control, and monitoring. The Pico's touchscreen interface makes operation intuitive, easy to learn, and simple to use. Yes, even you can learn to put this amazing welding technology to work. Pair the Pico with a Micro-E Micro Weld Head, a true electromagnetic linear motion weld head for ultra-precise welding. And remember, the Pico is backed by Sunstone's white glove customer service and can be protected forever by the Sunstone Circle Product Protection Plan. Get the Pico. Weld passionately with closed-loop feedback. Weld confidently with force and displacement monitoring. Weld authoritatively with precision energy control. Call or text us at 801-658-0015 or visit sunstonewelders.com. Get the Pico and live large.